Welcome to 33 Phillip Street in Vermont. My name's Robert and I've got my wonderful colleagues with me today, Susan and Ripple.
We are proud to showcase this stunning home in the terrific pocket of Vermont.
Well, the location is second to none. Zoned for schools of choice, walking distance to Belvedere, and moments away to cafes and eateries. This home fulfilled with love, enjoyment, and practical elements. Easy to keep everyone in the home feel peaceful and happy.
Outside, the designer gardens are absolutely stunning and it really does set this home aside from the rest. Well, it truly is a stunning home. Thank you for coming on the tour with us and we look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon.
We're here serviced in Mandarin, Cantonese or Vietnamese. 非常期待与你相遇，谢谢。